Assorted meat okra soup is what I brought for you guys today. This is slimy. This is delicious. This is super yummy. Don't think it is only seafood that is perfect for okra. It is good, but if you cook your next okra this very way, you are going to enjoy it. Let's get it started. That's the palm oil I'll be using. I've just poured it into the pot. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you haven't followed this channel, please follow. Thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Now I allow the palm oil to melt, and I'm going to add bell pepper, onion and habanero pepper. I blended them together a little bit roughly. So look at the boiled assorted meat I'll be using. They are not much because we are only preparing okra soup. So lovelies, I'm going to pour the meat stock into the pepper now. That is the meat I boiled, and the water I used for boiling it is what I've poured part of it into the pepper. I covered and allowed them to cook together. Look at it. Lovely. The aroma is given just from the meat stock I added into it. Is saying hello yummy already. So I'm going to taste for salt and seasoning before I adjust them. Okay, if you are not using meat stock, you don't need to taste it, but because of the meat stock I added, it contains the ingredients I used for boiling the meat. Now I've just added seasoning into it, and I've added salt as well. So I gave it a gentle mix together, and I'm going to add the boiled assorted meat into the sauce because they also need to get together with the pepper mix and the palm oil and other ingredients I've just added into them. They all need to become one, and they need to be really tender the way they should be. So I'm going to cover it and boil for about 5 minutes together. Lovely. Look at it. After 5 minutes, you can see it doing choco cooking, right? Taste it. You will know this one is what they call yummy. I'll use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you my returning subscribers. Newcomers, you're also welcome. Thank you so much. So into the sauce, I'm going to add locust beans. Yes, locust beans is going to take it to another level. The taste is going to be boosted and the aroma is going to increase. So I boiled everything together for about 2 minutes. Again, it's now okay. Look at what I have here. I have 500 grams of okra. I use grater to grate this. You can see the normal grater is what I use for this, and this is how they look. I'm just going to keep it aside and show you this. I have 250 grams of okra that I used my kitchen processor to mix. You can also use the blender. I poured the one I blended with my kitchen processor into it, and I gave it a good mix because that is what I used as the base of it. You can see how it looks. It's giving ogbono vibe at this stage. It's really slimy. So I'm going to add the 500 grams. I use grater to grate. I added it into it, and now I'm going to mix everything together. Lovely. Use the system. Use it and you're going to thank me later. I'm telling you, you'll be asking yourself, is this okra or is this ogbono? But you can see the okra, the crunchiness is there. I'm just going to allow it to boil together for about 3 to 4 minutes. Don't overcook your okra. Taste for salt, adjust. Lovely, the aroma, everything says it all. This goes with every swallow. I'm rocking mine with eba. That is gari. Lovely. If you have fufu, give it a try. You can see this super slimy. It does not only look like this, it looks yummy and tastes super delicious. Will you give it a try? Thanks for watching.